Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
Hi, how are you?
Hello, I'm fine, thank you.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little bit but not very well.
Are you learning English?
Yes, I am learning English.
How old are you?
Now I'm 12 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like soccer.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Do you like school?
Yes, I enjoy school.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is reading books.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I love watching movies.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the piano.
Are you tired?
No, I'm not tired.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
What do you like to do in the evening?
I like watching TV.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I like dancing.
Where do you go to school?
I go to Oakwood High School.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a teacher.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I like cooking sometimes.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak Spanish.
Do you like playing video games?
Yes, I enjoy playing video games.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Toy Story.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love the beach.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play basketball.
Do you have any friends?
Yes, I have many friends.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I love chocolate.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a cat.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, I like singing.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
My favorite flavor is vanilla.
Are you a morning person?
Yes, I'm a morning person.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is apple.
Do you like going to the park?
Yes, I like going to the park.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, I know how to cook simple meals.
Do you have a smartphone?
Yes, I have a smartphone.
Do you use the internet a lot?
Yes, I use the internet every day.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't have a car.
What do you like to do on weekends?
I like to hang out with my friends.
Do you like playing with toys?
Yes, I like playing with toys.
Are you scared of the dark?
No, I'm not scared of the dark.
Do you like to shop?
Yes, I enjoy shopping.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is water.
Do you have a favorite TV show?
Yes, my favorite TV show is Friends.
Can you draw?
Yes, I can draw.
Do you like rainy days?
No, I prefer sunny days.
Are you good at math?
Yes, I'm good at math.
Do you like to ride a horse?
Yes, I like riding horses.
What's your favorite place to visit?
My favorite place to visit is the mountains.
Can you write with both hands?
No, I can only write with my right hand.
Do you like puzzles?
Yes, I enjoy solving puzzles.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I like sunny weather.
Do you like going to concerts?
Yes, I love going to concerts.
Can you play chess?
Yes, I can play chess.
Do you like going to museums?
Yes, I enjoy visiting museums.
Are you a good singer?
Yes, I am a good singer.
Do you like to visit your grandparents?
Yes, I love visiting my grandparents.
Do you like gardening? Yes, I enjoy gardening. Can you ride a skateboard?
Yes, I can ride a skateboard.
Do you have a favorite singer?
Yes, my favorite singer is Taylor Swift.
Do you prefer cats or dogs?
I prefer dogs.
Are you afraid of spiders?
Yes, I'm afraid of spiders.
What do you like to do in the morning?
I like to eat breakfast.
Do you like summer?
Yes, I love summer.
Are you wearing glasses?
No, I don't wear glasses.
Can you speak loudly?
Yes, I can speak loudly.
Do you enjoy eating vegetables?
Yes, I like eating vegetables.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat a sandwich.
Do you like to watch cartoons?
Yes, I like watching cartoons.
Are you good at sports?
Yes, I am good at sports.
Do you like running?
Yes, I enjoy running.
Do you like taking pictures?
Yes, I like taking pictures.
Do you eat a lot of candy?
No, I don't eat a lot of candy.
Do you like spending time with your family?
Yes, I love spending time with my family.
Do you have a favorite number?
Yes, my favorite number is 7.
What's your favorite kind of flower?
My favorite flower is a rose.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
Do you like playing outside?
Yes, I enjoy playing outside.
Do you like playing with your friends?
Yes, I love playing with my friends.
Do you like playing in the snow?
Yes, I like playing in the snow.
Are you excited for the weekend?
Yes, I'm excited for the weekend.
Do you like making crafts?
Yes, I love making crafts.
Can you ride a scooter?
Yes, I can ride a scooter.
Do you like reading comics?
Yes, I enjoy reading comics.
Do you enjoy doing puzzles?
Yes, I enjoy doing puzzles.
Are you good at writing?
Yes, I'm good at writing.
Do you like ice skating?
Yes, I enjoy ice skating.
Do you like to go to the zoo?
Yes, I love going to the zoo.
Do you like eating fast food?
Yes, I enjoy eating fast food.
Do you go to bed early?
No, I go to bed late.
Do you enjoy playing with dolls?
Yes, I like playing was dolls.
Do you like to learn English?
Yes, I enjoy learning English.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.